This is Tao Te Ching by Lao Tzu, chapter 34. Tao means way, and I like to call it nature's way because you may get the sense when you get familiar with what this Tao is. So, chapter 34. The great Tao floats everywhere. All things are born from it, yet it doesn't create them. It pours itself into its work, yet it makes no claim. It nourishes infinite worlds, yet it doesn't hold on to them. Maybe I'll stop here because you may be confused already. I like to translate Tao as the way of nature or laws of nature. So think about it. Everything is the result of the laws of nature. And let's read this again. The great Tao floats everywhere, obviously. All things are born from it, obviously. Yet it doesn't create them, because it's just the laws. It pours itself into its work, yet it makes no claim, right? It nourishes infinite worlds, yet it doesn't hold on to them. Since it is merged with all things and hidden in their hearts, it can be called humble. Since all things vanish into it, as it alone endures, it can be called great. It isn't aware of its greatness, thus it is truly great. So, if you see it as laws of nature, you are created by the laws of nature, and being created, everything is. Just that. So there's nothing new or nothing to be amazed about. You can say that probably conceptually, but experientially, if you see all the stuff are being created and you are one of them, and everything is the manifestation of that. So we are all connected, obviously, but we may not feel like it in our mind. So the mind gets occupied in its own thinking. That's why we want to kind of flip it. Heart, the origin, the way, how things are happening. Don't take advantage of how things are happening. You are being created. Have some respect and realize the magic or miracle of those creations, including wisdom, compassion, and all. Be humble. Yeah, that's the term. It had it somewhere. Yeah. Since it is merged with all things and hidden in their hearts, it can be called humble. Right on.